Barriers to teacher-librarian collaboration. As a classroom teacher and a future school librarian, I've noticed that classroom teachers do not plan lessons or collaborate as often as they should with the school librarian, which led me to the research question, what are the barriers to collaboration between classroom teachers and school library media specialists? The current studies show the benefits of collaborative lessons between educators and school librarians from the elementary level all the way to the university level. But even though this research shows that collaboration is better than isolation, the collaborative lessons are still not happening. The 10 peer-reviewed empirical studies from 2009 to 2021 I analyzed and discovered the two main themes of the perception of the librarian as a barrier to collaboration and time restraints being a barrier to collaboration. Um, Oftentimes, classroom teachers are unsure of what exactly a librarian can do for them, and they do not know their credentials, so they see them as a service provider and not an actual instructional partner. With time, teachers and librarians have a lot of different jobs to do aside from just teaching lessons, and the collaboration between them requires time and effort. And so, being pulled in many different ways, it's hard to find the time to put together lessons and units that are beneficial for students. So the two most cited reasons in these studies for little to no collaboration between classroom teachers and school librarians was the lack of time and how classroom teachers, educators, and even administrators sometimes view the librarian and their library program. So even though collaboration is more beneficial to students than isolated lessons, it's not often happening. So any future studies could be needed to break through these barriers to allow for more collaboration, as it's been researched to be more beneficial than the isolated lessons. So a future study from this that I've thought through would be, if school librarians advocated for their positions, would they be more utilized through collaboration to benefit the school population? So if school librarians made others realize what their credentials are and what they can do to help, would they be more utilized, and would collaboration happen more than it does now? Thank you.